the vanity of riches without use. Ecclesiastes 6. There is an evil worth which I have seen under the sun, and it is common among men, and a man to whom God has given riches, wealth, and honor, so that he wanteth nothing for his soul of all that he desireth, yet God giveth him not power to eat thereof. But a stranger eateth it, there is vanity, and it is an evil disease.